I welcome all of you in the lesson number 55 for grade 3 mathematics. We are studying about tallying, guys. You know about tallying. What is tallying? We use tallying for organizing the data. If the data is in an unorganized form and it is ungrouped data, like you can see on page number 83, painting, dancing, football, reading, like this. So for arranging the data, we use the tally method. It is very useful. Okay, so in question number 1, the question is asking about that the tally chart is given and you are asked the question that answer the questions in this quiz. I tell you about the tally, guys, how to mark tally. For a single object you mark one tally. For two object you mark two tallies, two single lines. For three objects you mark three single lines, and for four object you mark four single lines. Okay, but for fifth object you will not mark fifth line. For fifth you will cancel all four. Okay, if for fifth object you will cancel all four. So this becomes now fives and you will count it as fives. This is now fives, so you don't need to count when it is cut. Okay, when it is cut, so you don't need to count. If you don't do this, guys, so it will be very difficult for you. Let's suppose if there is reading of 14, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So it will take time for anyone to count. But if it is in that form, 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4, so anyone can easily count 5 5 10 and 4 14. So that's why we do tally in that way. Okay, so whenever you have more than four objects, so for the fifth object you will cut it out, and then you will again start marking by single object, 1 2 3 4. When again it becomes 5, again cut it out. This is how you mark tally. Okay, so here the tally is chart is already given to you in question number 1. Okay, the tally chart is always already given to you. The question is about how many books does John have. So you can see the data. This tally chart is actually representing the number of books collected by each student. These are the number of books which is represented by a tally chart, and these are the number of students: John, Claire, Vicky, Cave, and Philip. So what you have to do, you just have to check how many books does John have. It's very easy. As I told you that when you see this one cut, the whole cut, one line is cut for four previous line, that's mean it is 5. It is also 5. It is also 5. And it is 2. So count in 5s. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So we write answer that there are 17 books John is having. John has 17 books. Is it clear, guys? Question number 1A. John has 17 books. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very,
Yes,
very, very,
sir.
very, very clear.
That's very good. Now, the second question is, how many books does the Philip have? So for the Philip, I will check where is Philip. In the name, this is John, this is Claire, this is Vicky, this is Cave, and this is Philip. So Philip has 1, 2, 3. It is 3. So we will say Philip has 3 books only. Philip has 3 books. Clear, guys? How Philip has 3 books? Just count 3 and write 3.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
That's very good. Question number 1C. How many books do Cave and Vicky have all together? Guys, you know, uh, when they are asking about the total books of Cave and Vicky, that's mean you should know how many books does Cave have and how many books does Vicky have. So first thing what you should do, you should count the books of Cave. This is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 5, 20. Again, I repeat, you know it is in, this is 5s. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. And 15 plus 5, 20. Is it easy to count, guys? 5, 5, 5 and 5, 20.
Yes, sir.
It's very easy.
Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Very good. Let me finish first, then come to the question. Okay. Now, Cave have 20 books. Now you will check Vicky have how many books? This is 5, 5 plus 5, 10, and 10, 11, 12, 13. Vicky has total 13 books. Okay. So, Vicky has 13 books and Cave has 20 books. So, how many total books they have together? So, for that, you will do addition. You will do addition. What you will do? You will add 20 plus 13 because 20 books Cave is having and 13 books Vicky is having. 20 plus 13. When you write 20 and 13 and you add, so 3 plus 0, 3, and 2 plus 1, 3. So it becomes 33. So you will say there are 33 books total. So how many books do Cave and Vicky have all together? They have total 33 books. They have total 33 books. Okay. The question number D, 1D, that is asking what is the total number of books? For total number of books, guys, read it carefully. They are not mentioning the names that what is the total, how many total books does John and Claire have, or Vicky or Cave have, or Philip and Claire have. They are asking for total. That's mean they are asking for all students' books. So for that, you should know how many books does John, Claire, Vicky, Cave, and Philip are having. Okay. So what you do, you have already found out John, Claire, Vicky, Cave, and Philip, how many books they are having. You just need to add them. So you are going to add them. The first one is 17, then 4, then 13, then 20, and then 3. Okay, you have to add. So 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, and 10 plus 7, 17. 7 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So the answer is 57. That's mean the total number of books are 57. So you will write here 57. That's mean all students have 57 books altogether. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Very
Yes,
clear.
sir. But I finished that. Yes, sir. Very clear.
That's very good. And you have to write their answers in the book just after the question. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Someone was saying, sir, I have question. Send the message in the chat box so that I can take your question. Yes. There was one student who was telling me that, sir, I have question. If it is unclear to you, if it is still unclear to you, ask me, please. No one sending me the message, guys. That's me, no questions. No questions, guys.
No question, saying.
Yes, sir. Oh.
That's fine. All right, guys. Then I will come to the page number 83. On page number 83, there is question number 2. Question number 2 is make a tally chart. Make a tally chart to show the information below. Okay. Now what you have to do, in question number 1, the tally chart was given and you were answering some question. But here you are given a data. This boy like painting and the data is about the hobbies. Hobbies are different, boys and girls, different children. Okay. Someone like painting, some like dancing, some like football, some like reading. What you have to do, you have to show that information in the tally chart. You have to make a tally chart and you have to show that information below. Okay. So guys, first I will show you how you will have to do this. Then we will complete it in our notebook. When we start working in our notebook, I am going to do it roughly. Okay. I'm going to do it roughly. So what I will do guys, I will make two columns. The first one will be hobby and the second one will be tally. Okay. In hobby, what I will write, painting, dancing, football and reading. Football because I have written, so I will not write again. Reading I have written, I will not write again. So there are four hobbies. Four hobbies I will write. Then I will start marking tally. Okay. So let's start it on the new page so that I can show you. Look at this page guys. I want to do here. This is, let's suppose I write hobby. This is tally. If I can add this is hobby, this is tally. Guys, now take out your notebooks. We will do work together. At least you should also write, and I will make you clear also. On the top of the page, write the heading. That is topic is tallying, and that is on page number 83. Okay. And this is the answer of question number 2. So just write question 2. Don't need to write the whole question. Just write question 2 answer like this. This is answer of question 2. Okay. And draw a table as I am drawing. Here I will write total. Hobby, tally and total. These are the 3 columns I have made. And what are the hobbies guys? Look here. Hobbies are painting. So I will write painting. Hobbies are dancing. Dancing. Okay guys, just wait for Adhan. I am writing. Until then you complete your work. So all right guys. So I write here hobbies, painting, dancing, football and reading. Tell me, is there any other hobby except these 4?
Reading. No, sir.
Look,
No, sir. No, sir. No, no.
very good. I am again going to again check. Painting I have write, dancing I have already written. Okay. Football I have written, reading I have written, football, reading, 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 football, painting, football and reading. So all I have written. Now we are going to start marking tally. So how you will do it guys? Look at carefully. Take a pencil with you and do it with me. Take a pencil with you and do it with me. The first one is painting. So I will cut painting and I will come here and I will mark tally. Then again I will check. The second one is dancing. I will cut dancing and I will come on page number 83. Where is dancing? I will mark 1 tally. The third one is football. I will cut football, and on the notebook I will mark one tally football. The next one is reading. So I will cut reading and I will mark one on the reading. Are you getting my point, guys? How you have to do it?
Yep, sir.
It is very easy. Now, next is football. So for football, I will mark one more. Okay. Then here, after football, it is reading. It is reading. Then it is again reading. I will cut here. It is again reading. Then it is again reading. So I will mark one more. There are 4 for reading now. Then football. So I'll come to football. Then painting. So painting is here. Then football. This is football. And then reading. So guys, I have already marked 4 lines. For I told you for 5th object, I will not draw 5th line. I will cut all 4 lines. So this is 4. This becomes now 5. So paintings are 2, dancing is 1, football is 4, and reading is 5. What is the total? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. There should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's very good, guys. They are also 12. Their total should be equal to total number of hobbies. So that is 12. So is it easy, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
I repeat again, guys, how you have to do. Just you will cut one of the hobby and check in the tally chart where the hobby is. Painting is here, mark one tally. Then again, look at the picture, cut one more hobby, and in the tally chart, check this hobby. Second is dancing, mark one tally. Then cut out third one, third picture, football. Football is where? And draw a line, mark a tally here. After that, completing all tallies, you just need to count and write the frequency, how much total paintings, how many students like painting? 2. How many of them like dancing? 1. How many of them like football? 4. And how many of them like reading? 5. So I can say that mostly students like reading. So the data was unorganized, but using tally chart, I organized the data. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, sir. I finished. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I finished.
Very good. This is you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and this is how you have to make a tally chart. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, so you can send the message in the chat box. I can take your question. All right, guys, this is I have done it roughly. Now I'm going to do it for you. 2, 1, 4, and 5. Okay. One, two, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th. This is how you have to make tally chart. Clear?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very, 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 very,
Very good. Yes, if you have a question, ask me. Ahmad Shihab. Yes, Siddiq, you have to write in notebook. Yes, Ahmad.
You should draw.
Yes, you should draw. This is the tally chart. This is the question. Look, question is saying make a tally chart. That's mean you have to make a tally chart. So this is tally chart, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. And guys, now for question number 3, we will go for question number 3 now. Question number 3. Question number 3, guys. Here you have to use a bar graph to make a tally chart. Now you know about tally chart. For question number 3 also you have to make this type of tally chart. Okay. Instead of hobby, we will write here number of children. Okay. The number of children are having different types of pet. Okay. The question 3 is about use this bar graph to make a tally chart. These are types of pet: dogs, cat, fish, rabbits, and turtle. Okay. So 6 children are having fishes. Okay. 8. Every box is equals to 2. So 1 box equals to 2, 2 box equals to 4, 3 box equals to 6, 8, 4 box equals to 8, and this is half. So half of 2 is equals to 1. Exactly, guys. What is half of 2? That is 1. If I ask you how many children are having dog as a pet, so you will say, sir, 2, 4, 6, 8. But it is not 10 because it is half. So you will say, sir, it is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. So you will say, sir, there are 9 children who are having dog as a pet. How many children who are having cat as a pet? So you will say 2, 4, 6, and 8. 8 children are having cat as a pet. And how many children are having fish as a pet? 2, 4, 6. It is up to 6. So you will say it is 6. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes, sir. I'm getting your point.
That's very good.
Yes, sir.
I got you.
That's very good. So this is number of children, guys. This is the dog. This is types of pet. So 9 children are having dogs. 8 children are having cats. And how many children are having fish? 6. How many children are having rabbits? Can you tell me, guys? How many children are having rabbits?
3.
Very good.
18.
The answer is 3. Very good. Those who are saying 4, the answer is not 4. Why? Because it is not full. If it is fully red, if it is fully colored, then you will say it is 4. But you see it is half. So you know 1 box is equals to 2 children. And half of 2 is 1. So you will add 1 in 6. That will become 7. So it is 7. Rabbit is 7. Fish is 6. And turtles are 1. Is it clear, guys? That's very good. That's very good. So what you will do, guys, you will have to make a tally chart that represent that 9 children have dogs and 8 children have cats, 6 children have fish, 7 children. Where is 7? Why 7? 6 children have fish, and this is rabbit. Rabbit 2 plus 1, 3. 3 children have rabbits and one is having turtle. So you have to show this information by making tally chart. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Okay. How you will do this? You will do this in your notebook like you completed question number 2. So we are going to do it and you have to do it with me first. Question number 3 answer. This is question number 3 answer. Okay. Question number 3 answer. Instead of hobby, you will write here number of children. Okay, here tally, here total. Wait. You will... Guys, are you writing with me?
Sir, I have question.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We are writing with you. Yes.
Yes, sir, I'm writing with you.
If you have questions, ask. Send a message in the chat box. I will take your question. If you have questions, send a message in the chat box. I will take your question. Kareem Muhammad. Okay. Wait. Where are you, Kareem? Yes, Kareem.
Sir, you was writing for the rabbit 7. I was telling you it's 3, not 7. And they are saying 7.
But I corrected. It is 3.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. Oh, I added with 6 with the cats.
Yep.
And okay. That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. All right, guys. So what you have to do here, you have to make a tally chart that dogs are here. You will write dogs. Here you will write another pet, that is cats. Fish and rabbits and turtles. Turtles. These are types of pets. And you know dogs are 9. So you will write here 9. 98631. And you will mark the tally accordingly. Dogs are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, there will be 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 5 plus 4. And you know for the fifth one, you draw this line. 5 plus 4, 9. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. Is it clear how you have to complete it, guys?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
That's very good. What you're saying, Ahmad Jibrail?
You don't write the turtle. That is one. The turtle. You don't write.
Tally? Tally, I did not reach to the turtles yet. I'm at fish right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one will be cut, and this is sixth. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, no matter, you can cut in any way. Okay. Like this also and like this also. This is 3. So here we will draw, mark only 3 tallies, and this is 1. So this is only 1 tally. So this is how we show this bar graph to make a tally chart. There are 9 dogs, 8 cats, 6 fishes, 3 rabbits, and 1 turtle. And we made a tally chart here. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Just wait. I
Yes,
don't.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Okay, Siddiq Al Walid, you have question? Where is Siddiq? Yes. Yes, Siddiq.
Yes, sir.
What question do you have? Ask. Yes? No question? All right, guys, copy it down. I will upload it in Classera course material as well.
I finished, sir. And no, any good Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Wait,
Bye,
wait, wait,
bye.
wait, 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 wait.
Bye,
I am
bye, sir.
before leaving the class, I would like to tell you one more thing, guys. Here tally is representing you number of children, so you can write in the bracket that these are number of children. Okay, here tally is basically representing the number of children. 9 children are having dogs, 8 children are having cats, 6 children are having fish, 3 children are having rabbit, and 1 children is having turtle. Clear?
See you.
Okay, bye
Take
bye.
care tomorrow.
Bye bye, guys. Take care. See you in the next class.
Bye. Good weekend.
Bye bye.